Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix OneDrive won't start in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand OneDrive. Open Prevent the usage of OneDrive for file storage. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.